China achieved in space program what America could not achieve in space program. China successfully collecting and returning the first ever samples from the moon's far side through its groundbreaking Chang'e 6 mission. In this video, I explain the Chinese Lunar Exploration Program, also known as the Chang'e project, in detail. If you are only interested in the Chang'e 6 mission, you can check the timestamp. The Chinese Lunar Exploration Program is divided into 4 main operational phases. Phase 1, Orbital Missions. Phase 2, Soft Landers, Rovers. Phase 3, Sample Return. Phase 4, Lunar Robotic Research Station. The first phase involved the launch of 2 lunar orbiters. Chang'e 1 was launched from Xichang Satellite Launch Center on the 24th of October 2007. It scanned the entire moon in unprecedented detail, generating a high-definition 3D map that would provide a reference for future soft landings. The probe also mapped the abundance and distribution of various chemical elements on the lunar surface as part of an evaluation of potentially useful resources. Chang'e 2, launched on the 1st of October 2010, reached the moon in under 5 days, compared to 12 days for Chang'e 1, and mapped the moon in even greater detail. It then left lunar orbit and headed for the Earth-Sun L2 Lagrangian point. Chang'e 2 was successfully achieved close-up images of the asteroid, with a resolution of up to 10 meters, 33 feet per pixel. The second phase incorporates spacecraft capable of soft landing on the moon and deploying lunar rovers. Chang'e 3, launched on the 2nd of December 2013, landed on the moon on the 14th of December 2013. It carried with it a 140 kg lunar rover named U2, which was designed to explore an area of 3 square kilometers during a 3-month mission. Chang'e 4 was launched on the 7th of December 2018. It was a backup for Chang'e 3. However, as a result of the success of that mission, the configuration of Chang'e 4 was adjusted for the next mission. It landed on the 3rd of January 2019 on the South Pole Aitken Basin, on the far side of the moon, and deployed the YUT-U2 rover. The third phase included a lunar sample return mission. Chang'e 5T1 was launched on the 23rd of October 2014. It was designed to test the lunar return spacecraft. Chang'e 5 was launched on the 23rd of November 2020, landed near Mohd.Mobassir on the moon on the 1st of December 2020, and returned to Earth with 1,731 grams of lunar samples back to Earth. Phase 4 is the development of an autonomous lunar research station near the moon's south pole. The Chang'e 6 mission, launched on May 3, 2024, involved a 53-day journey to the moon's far side, where it landed in the northeastern quadrant of the South Pole Aitken Basin on June 2. Using a robotic arm and drill, the lander collected samples from depths of up to 2 meters below the lunar surface. The ascent module then rendezvoused with the orbiter, carrying the precious cargo of lunar rock and soil back to Earth. On June 25, the return capsule successfully landed in Inner Mongolia, China, marking the completion of this historic mission. The samples collected by Chang'e 6 from the Apollo crater within the Spa Basin are expected to provide valuable insights into the moon's geological history and the differences between its near and far sides. Scientists anticipate that the samples, which may contain fragments of the lunar mantle, will help date the Spa Basin, shedding light on the lunar cratering timeframe and Earth's impact history. The Chang'e 6 mission showcases China's remarkable advancements in space technology, including the successful deployment of a robotic arm and drill to collect samples from the lunar surface and subsurface. These milestones underscore China's growing capabilities in complex space operations and its emergence as a major player in planetary science. Moreover, the mission's success in retrieving and returning samples from the moon's far side is a testament to China's state-of-the-art facilities and equipment, such as the receiving lab at the National Astronomical Observatories of the Chinese Academy of Sciences in Beijing and the Institute of Geochemistry in Guiyang. Chang'e 7, expected to launch in 2026, is a mission that will explore the South Pole for resources. The mission will include an orbiter, a lander, and a mini flying probe. Chang'e 8, expected to launch in 2028, will verify in situ resource development and utilization technologies. It may include a lander, a rover, and a flying detector, as well as a 3D printing experiment to test builder structure. It will also transport a small sealed ecosystem experiment. It will test technology necessary to the construction of a lunar science base. If you want to know why we sent the telescope into space and who gave the idea of sending the telescope into space, you can watch the video on the right.